How to trade stocks on Schwab mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to trade stocks on Schwab mobile app. In order to trade stocks on Charles Schwab mobile app, you need to follow these steps. I'm going to use the mobile web version of it. You could use the app itself as well. First thing first, you want to log into your Charles Schwab application. From the home page, you want to go to the trade button at the bottom of the screen. Next, you have to enter the stock symbol or company's name in the search bar to find the stock you want. As you've done that, you then need to select the stocks from the results to load its profile. Once you've done that, you want to build your order. That means tap the buy or sell button, enter the quantity of share you wish to trade. You can also use Schwab stock slice for partial share as well. You could also choose the order type, that means market, limited, stop order, and select the timing as well. And you could go and review and place, that means you want to review the order to see a summary of your trade details, fees and estimate cost as well, and confirm the details are correct and tap on the place order button. And you could go and check the status. That's how you could go and trade stocks in Charles Schwab mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.